Dumpster rental service in Muncie, Indiana. At Salty Dog Trash, we make waste removal easier than ever. Our reliable dumpster rental service in Muncie, Indiana, is built to support both homeowners and contractors. Whether you're cleaning up after a storm or remodeling your kitchen, we're here to help. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit your needs. Each one is delivered on time and ready to go, no hassle, no waiting around. We simplify the process so you can stay focused on your project. Our experienced team is here to guide you from start to finish. We're happy to recommend the best size, schedule your delivery, and pick it up when you're done. We know your time is valuable, and we treat it that way. With us, you'll never find hidden fees or surprises. We believe in clear, honest pricing and quality service every time. Our goal is to make your cleanup as stress-free as possible. Our dumpsters are clean, easy to load, and built to handle a wide range of debris. From household junk to construction waste, we've got you covered. Don't let clutter slow you down. If you need a fast and affordable dumpster rental service in Muncie, Indiana, we're ready to help. Give Salty Dog Trash a call at 317-660-5099 to get the dumpster delivered on time.